This online scientific writing course is designed to get you started as a writer. Practice writing your words on paper or your computer so that you can build confidence to write and publish your work. Learn how to write the 4 clear principles of good nonfiction writing and work on carefully designed exercises for each principle. This online writing course is designed for authors and bloggers at any level. Also, this scientific writing course takes you step by step through techniques on writing quality paragraphs, which are the foundation of all academic writing. Learn these building blocks and then put them into practice to see all the difference. From this course, you will learn how to write from good to great. What will I learn? 1. Learn how to write the 4 principles of good nonfiction writing. 2. Practice writing to build your confidence to write and publish your work. 3. Learn how to write from good to great. 4. Write emails, articles and proposals in minutes instead of hours. 5. Learn some tips for writing great main characters with realism. 6. Understand traditional and digital publishing. 7. Understand the importance of emotions when writing.